as we close 2025, and I speak peace where there was echoes, and healing where there was trauma, and restoration where there was loss, and unexpected favor, and everywhere where doors were slammed in your face. This is a blessing, is touching your home, your family, your marriage, your finances, your emotions, your calling, even the parts of even the parts of nobody knows about. Family, 2026 is just 2026 is not a rollover year. It is a taking over year. And so I just came on tonight just to share what the Lord has placed on my heart to just to give what's on my heart.